10 Fab Silver Units on the inside. Late money for Tufnell Park in track 3 into 9 to 4. Tony, final words?
Yeah, I'm going to be with one. And again, I know the play spot didn't pay a lot tonight, but it was the last one at Wimbledon and we managed to get it up. So a couple of quid, a couple of beer money goes to the RGTC.
Okay, right, the last one's going in. The final ever race at Wimbledon.
Wonder if there'd be a roar of any kind. Do you reckon there'd be? Or just be subdued?
Right, we're going to throw early to Bill Donaldson.
So here we go, everybody. The runners in the boxes. There's Darren with the flag, about to wave it for the last, the very last. The hare's running. Here we go, stand by then for race 12. We're off and racing and form. It's a good start. The middle, Bam Bam's reaching 2, though, rushing up the inside with the 1. To get to the turn, Red Lucky trying to get through. 3's looking for her own as well. It all gets scrappy as 6 round the outside. Bitsy King. It's the front 6 for me, but only by about a head from 1 and 2. 3 just in behind with 5 and 4. 4 trouble there and 6. Bitsy King for Brian Nichols. Kicks on and goes for home, about 2 clear. 1 Silkiness up the inside, trying to come back for more. They're spread apart on the track, but it's a Stripes who has it. Glitzy King. Great supreme in our final race. Well done to trainer Brian Nichols. Up to spray gun as well. Glitzy King takes the last. The Reeds last stand stakes here at Wimbledon Stadium.
Well, with a somewhat fitted finish, Brian Nichols has trained the final winner. The crowd clapped and applauded. One of the races dogs collected at the drop. Brian Nichols, who has stood so long at Wimbledon, despite the sort of demise of the track, he's held almost half the tennis strength. Look at that crowd, massive crowd in there, and it's Brian's Glitzy King who's crossed the line for the final time.
Fantastic little mini derby war as the hare was running. Applause as the dog got to the pickup. Exciting.